Welcome back to another edition of Cooking with Vera. Today's star of the show is the tomatillo. Or wait, maybe it's the brown rice. Brown rice, tomatillo, maybe they're both the star of the show. And here's why. Today we are making green brown rice. So we're gonna start off by making the tomatillo sauce. Today we're gonna be using 3 small to medium tomatillos, 2 medium cloves of garlic, half of a white onion. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by cutting these in half into smaller chunks, throwing them in the blender with a little bit of water, and then we're just gonna let it rip and make the sauce, and we're going to set that aside while we get working on our rice. And done. Next step is putting some olive oil, I would say 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil into the saucepan. We're gonna heat it on medium to high heat. So now that the oil is nice and hot, we're gonna put the brown rice into the oil, and we're gonna give it a toast. I love that sound. So at this point, you can start to smell the nuttiness of the rice, and the color is also starting to get a little golden brown. Now you wanna go ahead and add your tomato sauce. You gotta be careful because it is gonna jump around a little bit. So now at this point, you wanna go ahead and leave the temperature at the same mark. Oh my God, that just totally gave me, it just gave me a facial, if you will, because of the steam. We're gonna throw in about a tablespoon of salt in there. You can never take it out. So now what you wanna do is you wanna wait until all of the liquid from the tomatillo sauce is evaporated. It has to be completely gone before you can add the water that you're going to use to cook the rice in. And again, stand back or you're gonna get another facial. Oh, not so bad this time. We're gonna let this come to a small boil, and then we're gonna turn it down. We're gonna put the lid on it. We're gonna leave it alone for the next 45 to 50 minutes, and that's it. It'll be done. We'll toss it with some cilantro once it's set for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna garnish it with a little avocado, and that will be your brown green rice. For today's recipe, you'll need 1 cup of brown long grain rice, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 medium tomatillos, 2 medium garlic cloves, half a medium onion, 3/4 cup of water for the tomatillo sauce, 2½ cups of water for the rice, 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro for the end, and avocado to garnish.